Hey guys, this is my first water gun review, or my first review on the channel. My name is Jim Bob, and our cameraman is Ricky Bob. And then, okay, say hi, Ricky Bob.
Hi.
Okay, so we're first gonna review. We only have 2 water guns to show, and we're gonna show our ratings on the gun. So here's our first one, and mine is called the Fun in the Sun Electric Water Blaster. So we're gonna pause to show you. We're gonna pause and open it. So here's the gun. I got it out of the box. I added batteries because it's electric. Filled it up with water. Here's the tank. Here's how you fill it up. You need 3 AA batteries.
4.
4 AAA batteries. And then it comes with a light.
Stop!
And then let's test the firing. Okay. It shoots kind of far. And it's pretty good. And let's do a test on how it does on a Ricky Bob. I'm rating The Sun is Fun an 8.5 out of 10. There we go. Let's go to the next gun. I'm Ricky Bob, and The Sun is Fun electric water gun. I rate it an 8 out of 10. Okay, let's get to using it. Okay, let's test the shooting. How do you like it? It's good. And then also, it still has the light. Hi, I'm Rick Bob, and I rate The Sun is Fun electric water gun an 8 out of 10. Next one. This is the Water Blaster Electric, and it says Mode 1, fill the tank with water. Mode 2, pump the water straight from the pool. We don't have a pool, we have a jacuzzi right here. And it comes with a rechargeable Li-ion battery, front of the back. 2 gameplay options. It has the logo. And then, if you want to read all of this here, you can pause the video. Okay, let's go. Here's the gun. Okay, let's try it out because we first did the mode where you have to fill it up from here. Let's test it out. See? I love this gun. This is good. Okay, we're using mode 2 now. Come here. Ricky. Look in there. See? It's in a cup of water. It's gonna suck into here, and then you use it when you're in pool party. So let's test it out. I love this gun so much. good water. Oh, okay. So, I love this gun. It's very great. It has a little bit of recoil. That's very good. I like this thing. So you can pull it up. And that's just a little mag. I like the 2 mode too. I haven't used it out in the pool yet because I don't have one. And I rate this a 10 out of 10. No, a 10.5 out of 10. Bonus video. This is the last part of the video. We're gonna use the best gun, which is the winner. We have Dr. Pepper or Pepsi. Which one do you love? Put it in the comments. Ready, set, ah! How we're ending the video.